Great. Wonderful. Couple of new faces and new names. Okay, great. Maybe you can introduce yourself later, uh, but going back to the question we started with, कि जो लोग कहते हैं कि जो ये चैतन्य हूँ, ये दिव्य शक्ति मैं हूँ, चलो मान लिया और समझ भी गए. I understood, I agree, but I am not experiencing. ये अनुभव नहीं हो रहा है कि सारी दुनिया चैतन्य है. ये अनुभव क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? This is the common question that I am asked, and I have got recently asked again. How to experience divine? How to experience divine consciousness? Not just know it, not just understand it, but how to experience it. So, here is the thing. The experience of consciousness. Actually, ये जो सवाल है ना वो पूरा उल्टा है. एक्चुअल रियलिटी में क्या है कि हम सिर्फ डिवाइन कॉन्शियसनेस और वॉट एवर नेम दिस अवेयरनेस, सिर्फ वही अनुभव कर रहे हैं और हमें यह समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. दिस इज द ट्रूथ. द ट्रूथ इज द ऑपोजिट. द क्वेश्चन शुड बी, हाउ कम आई एम ओनली एक्सपीरियंसिंग डिवाइन कॉन्शियसनेस एंड हाउ कम आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. बट सवाल ऑपोजिट आ रहा है कि मैं समझ गया, आपकी बातें समझ गया, लेकिन अनुभव नहीं हो रहा है. तो ऑपोजिट इज ट्रू. The only thing you are experiencing in your life, what is this? जो भी हो रहा है, what are you experiencing? You are only experiencing. What are you experiencing right now? Okay, if I ask you what are you experiencing right now, कुछ क्या चल रहा है, किसी को पूछते हैं. चलो संजय, you are here. संजय जी, हाँ, अनम्यूट करिए. तो इस वक्त हम पूछेंगे कि सवाल यह है कि समझ में आ रहा है लेकिन अनुभव नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, तो अभी अनुभव के ऊपर जाते हैं. तो क्या अनुभव कर रहे हैं इस वक्त आप? इस वक्त आप क्या अनुभव कर रहे हैं?
Just quietness, silence, only
Okay,
silence. I'm experiencing silence.
साइलेंस यू आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग. बट इवन नॉर्मल, ये जो साधारण या जो नॉर्मल अनुभव हो रहे हैं, आपके सामने आपका मोबाइल है
Yes,
या कंप्यूटर है?
mobile है.
हाँ, मोबाइल. तो आप मोबाइल को देख रहे हैं. तो
Yes,
आपका अनुभव का अगर हम एक क्या क्या कहते हैं उसका एक अगर लिस्ट बनाए कि इस पल में आप क्या क्या अनुभव कर रहे हैं, अगर एक लिस्ट बनाने जाएंगे तो आप कहेंगे कि ठीक है, मैं मुझे
देख
ये
रहा हूँ.
मोबाइल दिख रहा है,
Yes,
ये आवाज आ रही है, आपके जो आप जो बोल रहे हैं
कुछ
वो आवाज आ रही है. फिर आप जिस कमरे में बैठे हो वो दीवारें दिख रही है आपको. हो सकता है बाहर या रूम में या कहीं कुछ आवाजें हैं तो वो सुनाई दे रही है. फिर और क्या है लिस्ट में? आपके आप देख रहे हैं, आप सुन रहे हैं, आप आपने कुछ पहना है तो वो स्पर्श हो रहा है शरीर को. आपकी सांसें
yes,
चल रही है
yes,
तो ये सांस का अनुभव हो रहा है. तो एक अगर लिस्ट हम बनाएंगे ऑफ ऑल दीज एक्सपीरियंसेस, तो ये सब अनुभव हो रहा है. आप कहेंगे ये सब अनुभव हो रहा है. कॉन्शियसनेस या डिवाइन कॉन्शियसनेस का अनुभव नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, दैट इज व्हाट यू
नहीं
विल
हो रहा
से.
है सर.
नहीं हो रहा
Yes
है,
sir,
ये सब अनुभव हो रहा है.
नहीं हो रहा.
मोबाइल दिख रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, लेकिन कॉन्शियसनेस, डिवाइन कॉन्शियसनेस आई एम नॉट एक्सपीरियंसिंग. So this is such a funny, it's almost like a joke, because वॉट एवर यू आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग, वॉट यू आर सीइंग, मान लो आप मोबाइल को देख रहे, तो वॉट आर यू सीइंग? यू आर सीइंग वॉट यू आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग इज, आपको पता है कि ये सामने ये जो मोबाइल का जो लाइट आ रही है, प्रकाश आ रहा है आंखों के अंदर, उसको प्रोसेस करके आप बोल रहे ये मोबाइल का अनुभव हो रहा है मुझे। लेकिन ये मोबाइल जो है वो किससे बना हुआ है? उसकी उसकी असलियत क्या है? उसका असली स्वरूप क्या है? व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल रॉ मटेरियल ऑफ दिस मोबाइल फोन, और व्हाट इज द रॉ मटेरियल ऑफ वॉट एवर यू आर सीइंग? So the raw material of everything that is in front of you, the raw material is only awareness. अगर ये awareness नहीं होता तो ये कुछ भी नहीं होता। तो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट, उसका मेन जो तत्व है वो अवेयरनेस है, उसकी बनावट अवेयरनेस है। तो आप जब मोबाइल को हाथ में ले रहे हो तो उस रूप में आप अवेयरनेस को हाथ में ले रहे हो। इट इज अवेयरनेस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दिस मोबाइल फोन इज इन योर हैंड। जब आप कमरे को देखते हो, दीवार दिख रही है, तो ये दीवार जो है उसकी असलियत क्या है? ये दीवार को आप जानते हो, देखते हो, उसको अनुभव कर रहे हो, उसी से ये उसका अस्तित्व शुरू होता है कि आप उसे देख रहे हो, आपको उसे अनुभव कर रहे हो। अगर उसे अनुभव नहीं कर रहे होते तो ये दीवार का कोई अस्तित्व ही नहीं है। तो जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक सपने में आपको दीवार दिख रही है, आपको सपने में मान लो मोबाइल फोन दिख रहा है, सपने में ये दीवार दिख रही है, और सपने में मैं अगर आपको पूछता कि ये जो सपने वाला जो मोबाइल है, सपने वाला जो आपका घर है, वो किससे बना हुआ है, उसकी बनावट क्या है, उसकी असलियत क्या है, उसका रॉ मटेरियल क्या है, उसका इंग्रेडिएंट क्या है, तो आप क्या कहेंगे?
अवेयरनेस।
अवेयरनेस, द ड्रीम।
ड्रीम।
सपने में जो दीवार है वो दीवार तो है नहीं एक्चुअली, लेकिन दिखती है आपको, क्योंकि वो
ड्रीम।
ड्रीम हैज क्रिएटेड द वॉल। So the awareness of watching that dream in the what creates the wall. And what is to say that this thing what we call so called reality, उसको भी हम अगर करीब से देखते हैं तो पता चलता है कि ये भी उसी से बना हुआ है कि मैं इसे जानता हूं, मैं इसे देखता हूं, मैं इसे सुनता हूं, मैं इसे समझता हूं, मैं इसे अनुभव कर रहा हूं। तो ये अनुभव ही इसकी इंग्रेडिएंट या मेन रॉ मटेरियल, या अपने को लगता है ये मोबाइल कांच और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और सिलिकॉन वगैरह से बना हुआ है, और एक स्तर पर ये सत्य है, लेकिन उसकी असलियत जो है, उसका मूल तत्व जो है, उसकी मूल बनावट जो है, इज नथिंग बट अवेयरनेस। बिकॉज अनलेस यू नो दैट एंड सी दैट एंड फील इट एंड एक्सपीरियंस इट, इट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट। तो उसके अस्तित्व का आधार आप है, नहीं कि सिलिकॉन या कांच। यू आर गेटिंग द पॉइंट? सो when we ask the question, I am understanding what you are saying but I am not experiencing it, the truth is all you are experiencing, there is nothing else but consciousness. Everything you are experiencing is only consciousness, and actually you are not understanding this. That is the problem. So the problem is not that you are understanding but not experiencing. The problem is you're only experiencing consciousness but not understanding that you're experiencing consciousness. All there is consciousness. There's nothing to do. There's nothing to be. There's nothing to have. There's nothing, nowhere to go. Nothing to do. Nothing needs to happen. Nothing else needs to happen for you to experience consciousness or to understand divine or to experience divine. Nothing more. So supposing somebody is sitting with their eyes closed and they keep saying, I can't see anything, I can't see anything, I can't see anything. What do they have to do? Just open their eyes and look. There's nothing you need to do. Nowhere you need to go. You don't need to get an eye test. You don't need a doctor. You don't need a guru. You don't need anything. You are already, all you do is open your eyes and you are seeing. So the answer is the opposite of the question. The question was, I understand what you're saying, but I'm not experiencing consciousness. The answer is, you are only experiencing consciousness, but you don't understand that you are only experiencing consciousness. Clear? So there is all that's going on. There's nothing to be done. Including ये जो open door gathering करते हैं, it's just what's going on. It's just what is going on right now. And in that sense, there is nothing special about it. In one sense, there is nothing special. Because अब भी वही चल रहा है जो ओपन डोर शुरू होने से पहले जो चल रहा था, वो ओपन डोर के गैदरिंग में वही चल रहा है. और ये जब हम बाय बाय करके हम चले जाएंगे तब भी वही चल रहा है. क्या चल रहा है? Divine consciousness flowing infinitely, profusely, abundantly, beautifully, miraculously, continuously, and forever. Flowing, 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 flowing. There is nothing but the flow of consciousness that is going on. Nothing else is happening. Nothing else will ever happen. And nothing that you need to do for consciousness to flow. Consciousness is already flowing and it will continue to always flow. You don't need to become something better or more. You don't need to learn anything more. You don't need to be a better person, a stronger person, a more wiser person, more intelligent, more knowledgeable, more books. Nothing. If you read more books, fine, wonderful. Consciousness will flow in that form for you. But it is not that there will be more flow of consciousness. Oh, bigger flow of consciousness. मैंने चारों वेद पढ़ लिया, अब ज़्यादा consciousness. Nothing like that. The only thing, if anything, is awareness of itself. Becoming aware that all there is awareness. That is the only thing. Varna, meditation, yoga, reading, all simply unnecessarily struggle. Unnecessary struggle. Thinking that this is going to make me more conscious or more enlightened. Enlightenment is knowing that you're already enlightened. That is what enlightenment is. That is the ultimate enlightenment. Ultimate enlightenment is to know that you are already enlightened. There is nothing else that needs to happen. All is simply flow of consciousness. And then once you know that this is all there is and you are enlightened, what else? Simply enjoy the ride, simply celebrate. Simply feel love, simply be in love. And when you don't feel love, you are still enlightened, you are still consciousness. What is happening when there is not love? Still it is a flow of consciousness. Because that's all there is. The entire universe is made up of this. That is all that exists. So the good news is, actually there is only good news and more good news. There's no bad news. There's all good news and more good news. The good news is that nothing you have to do. And the more better news is that even whatever else you do, whether it is meditation or kriya or reading or whatever, it is still that only. It is still that miraculous flow. Great. So, any questions on this? What we have heard today, understood today? Any thoughts, comments, questions? Or is it clear? As an experience, is it clear? Are you experiencing divine right now? Are you? Yes or no? Question mark? पता नहीं. क्या लगता है अनामिका?
Yes,
Yes.
I said yes.
Yeah, I know, Sandhya Ben. Yes. Anamika has a question mark. I think Pandeji has a question mark. Maybe some question marks, which is also good. So that question mark, what is that question mark? Does the question mark exist without you?
मुझे वो एक श्लोक याद आ रहा है जो
हाँ.
यज्ञ में अक्सर कहा जाता है.
हाँ.
ब्रह्मार्पणम हविर्ब्रह्म ब्रह्मैव तेन गंतव्यम ब्रह्म कर्म समाधिना त्वदीयम वस्तु गोविंद तुभ्यमेव समर्पित. सब कुछ ब्रह्म है. आप मैं जो देख रहा हूँ, जो हो रहा है, जो अंदर अनुभव हो रहा है, जो बाहर है, सब कुछ वही तो है.
Exactly.
अल्टीमेट कॉन्शियसनेस.
Exactly. तो ये बात समझ में आ रही है, अनुभव हो रही है? आप मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ.
नहीं, अनुभव हो रही, बिल्कुल अनुभव हो रही है, बिल्कुल.
अच्छा, ओके, ग्रेट.
वो एक्चुअली हंसी इसलिए आ रही थी कि कुछ प्रश्न थे, लेकिन वो प्रश्न स्वयं को काट रहा था. वो मुझे लग रहा था कि आप कह रहे हैं कि जो बाहर है, जो अंदर है, वो बाहर दिख रहा, बाहर कुछ नहीं है, अंदर दिख रहा है. लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अगर हम आईना हो तो आई एम ए कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, आई एम ए कॉन्केव लेंस, और अगर मिरर, तो इट इज बाहर भी वही है और अंदर जो दिख रहा है वो भी वही है. ऐसा लगा मुझे.
करेक्ट.
दोनों अलग नहीं है.
दो अलग नहीं है, एक ही है.
जी हाँ.
राइट. रितिका और अनामिका, क्वेश्चंस? Yeah, you were saying something, Anamika?
No,
संजीव जी, लाइक ये बातें सुनकर अवेयरनेस रहती है, काफी टाइम तक रहती है, अनुभव भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बट फिर वो एक पूल चलता है. देन यू गो डाउन एंड देन यू बिकम रिएक्टिव एंड देन अगेन यू टेल योरसेल्फ नो, आई एम अवेयरनेस, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट एक्सपीरियंसिंग. हमेशा यही चलता रहता है. It's not constant.
Right, it's not constant. So let me ask you this. When you are down, so-called down, let's say you're feeling upset. What is that upset made of? Thoughts, feelings, thoughts and feelings and situations. What are those thoughts and feelings made of?
They are made up of my
if you didn't know that these thoughts and feelings were there, would these thoughts and feelings have any meaning? No. So the thoughts and feelings are made up of awareness, of your awareness. So when you're upset, what is happening? What is going on? Awareness is experiencing awareness. Thoughts and feelings are made of awareness, and awareness is experiencing thoughts and feelings, which is also made of awareness. So when you're upset, what is going on? Awareness is experiencing awareness. Okay, when you are feeling wonderful, you are feeling great, you're feeling peaceful, you're feeling calm, what is going on? Thoughts and feelings. Thoughts and feelings which are saying calm, beautiful, nice, happy, laughter. Okay, what are those laughter and those peaceful thoughts made of?
My own awareness.
Made of awareness. If you were not aware of them, would they exist? Their existence depends on your awareness. Awareness lends existence to those thoughts and feelings. So what is going on when you are so-called high, up? Awareness experiencing awareness. When you are low, what is going on? Awareness, experiencing awareness. So whether you are high or whether you are low, there is only awareness, experiencing awareness is all that is going on.
Right.
So how does it matter? Up or down, low or high? In both the situations, it is only awareness, experiencing awareness. And awareness that you're experiencing in that form is the same infinite, beautiful, miraculous, unending, open space. It's just in that form. It is only your mind which has a preference कि ये low मुझे नहीं पसंद है, high मुझे पसंद है.
Right.
Your mind is making that choice. But awareness itself को कोई, it is simply awareness. Open and accepting and loving to all that appears. Awareness simply loves everything that appears to it because it is made up of it. Just as your child is lovable for you because the child is you in another form. So you love the child. So awareness loves everything that appears in it to it because it is made of it. Whether it is the upset or it is the ecstasy. So all you are actually experiencing is only love. And it is only the mind that makes this distinction that this is not and this is yes, this is preferred, this is not preferred. So once we understand it, there's nothing to do. When you're upset, be upset. So what?
Thank you so much.
You're still awareness, you're still divine. That is enlightenment. Enlightenment is knowing that there is nothing, that I am already enlightened and it is not dependent on the circumstances and the content. Enlightenment is the context in which, the background in which everything is happening. It is not the content. The content may be चाहे धूल हो या सोना, वो कंटेंट है. सोना भी कंटेंट है, धूल भी कंटेंट है. जो कंटेनर है और ये धूल और सोना जिस चीज से बना हुआ है, दोनों बने हुए of divine consciousness, of awareness. That is the raw material of the gold and of the dust. And when you know that, then you lose your choice and preference for gold over dust. Dust is simply as miraculous as gold. Not that we have to throw away gold or shun gold or say gold is wrong or bad. Gold is also beautiful. It is made of awareness. Dust is also beautiful, made of awareness. And when there is dust, I love dust. When there is gold, I love gold. And I don't have to do anything in either situation. And that is freedom. And that is the ultimate freedom, which does not depend on whether there is gold or dust. Great. Thank you. Thank you for raising those questions. We must ask, we must think, we must question, we must doubt. Only then truth reveals. Just because it is said in this book by this person or whatever, chalo ye satya hai. Hold it as a temporary truth. Question it, examine it, उसको चीर फाड़ के देख लो पूरा. उगल जाओ उसे. Then it becomes your truth. Wonderful. Yeah, पुरुषोत्तम जी.
क्या हम ये कह सकते हैं कि it is all the time it is awareness only, but when we are feeling low, at that time awareness is feeling smaller eye or it, and when we feel high or ecstatic, then awareness is feeling a higher self, means bigger eye.
Yeah, you can say that. At one level it is true. At one level it is true. You are feeling the smaller I, which is so full of doubts and worries and this and that. But ultimately it is not true. Because ultimately why? I will tell you why or how. Ultimately it is not true because what is the smaller I also?
Awareness.
Smaller I is also nothing but awareness. This small body, this small mind, ये तुच्छ प्राणी जो है, वो भी तो दिव्य है. वो भी तो दिव्य शक्ति से ही उसका निर्माण हुआ है. और दिव्यता ही उसका मूल स्वरूप है, असली स्वरूप है. So at a relative level, yes, it is true what you're saying. And we may prefer to live our life more out of the bigger I. But ultimately we should know that even that is also nothing else but divine truth, divine consciousness. And it is okay. It is perfectly loving. We can love our little small I also and embrace that small I as well. It is not something to be avoided or pushed away. हाँ प्रतिभा बेन.
Sir, but how do you do it 24/7?
You are already doing it 24/7. What are you doing 24/7, Sonal? You are doing nothing but experiencing the flow of consciousness. That is all you are doing. So there is no how to do it 24/7. You are already doing it 24/7, 365 since forever and for forever, eternally. So the question can be, you may ask the opposite question. How can I stop doing this? And I don't have an answer for that. How can I stop being this divine flow of consciousness? If you ask me that, then I really don't know. Because there is nothing else.
I'm waiting for that day when I can ask you that.
Yeah, when you'll ask me that, I am also waiting for that day only. When you will ask, when you will say, संजीव जी, मुझे ये जो दिव्य शक्ति की धारा जो बह रही है मेरे द्वारा, मेरे थ्रू जो ये प्रवाह है, वो कैसे मैं बंद करूं? That will be the day. Wonderful. I'm looking forward to that day. And the answer is that there is nothing else happening. It is only that. And you're not seeing it, or you're not aware of it, or you're not understanding it, or whatever, or refusing to understand. But actually you are only 24/7, 365, only flowing consciousness. Nothing else happening.
That is what I said. I'm understanding that what I'm understanding is awareness.
Right, exactly. That what you are understanding is also awareness. The question is also awareness. What is listening is also awareness. What is answering is also awareness. What is doubting is also awareness. So if that is true, then how can you be doing, saying, feeling anything except awareness 24/7? Because that's all there is. यही तो है जो unending and unstopping and no beginning, no end. जैसे वो श्लोक जो बताया, ब्रह्म, there is only what is that other Brahma Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma. Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma. That's all there is. So how can there be anything else? So tell me an example, Sonal ji, tell me an example where it is not happening. Give me an example. You are saying no, 24/7 it's not happening. So give me an example or a situation where it is not happening. Let us look at it. Let us try to find a situation where awareness is experiencing awareness. And see if you can find such a situation.
When we get upset, we don't remember that we are under awareness now. Just now you gave an example of...
Correct. You may not remember, but in that non-remembered state, what are you? What are you in that non-remembered state?
I am awareness.
Exactly. Exactly. You are only awareness which right now is not remembering. At another moment you are awareness which is remembering. At some other moment you are awareness which is which is laughing, and another moment your awareness eating, your awareness being angry, your awareness being sad, your awareness being doing some work, talking, being on this open door gathering. No difference. No difference. And if you ask why, because I asked the question why, nobody's asking why, but I am going to ask you why. Then why do all this? Why open door? Why this? Why?
Make us remember.
No, even if you forget, it is only awareness. Even if you forget, it is only awareness. Why remember?
Consciously aware of this.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. हाँ प्रतिभा बहन बोलो. Mute છો.
સોરી આઈ ડોન્ટ નો આઈનો જવાબ નથી, પણ પહેલા જે આપણે ડિસ્કસ કર્યું બિફોર, એના જવાબમાં we are made up of divine power, or we are itself divine.
Yeah.
So to find the divine power, our awareness is the only divine power.
Correct.
Oh.
There is nothing to get. There is nothing we have to get, or nothing we have to learn, or nothing we have to strive
we have
for
not
and struggle
to find
for.
anything, because
There is nothing to be found, because we are already that. Already we are that.
Awareness is the divine power only.
Exactly. Is that. And there is nothing to struggle for and find.
संजीव जी,
Wonderful. Why वाला question हम Thursday को
I am
देखेंगे.
that I am.
Yes, you are that you are, but
I
my
have one
question.
question.
Yeah.
So, since everybody is what they are and how they are supposed to be and how they have to experience everything, whether it is good experience or bad experience, we are awareness. तो मेरे में जो कि एक spiritually inclined person है, जो कि open door miss नहीं करना चाहता और बाकी जगह इधर उधर भी भागता रहता है, पढ़ रहा है, meditate कर रहा है, उसमें और जो उस चीज में बिल्कुल नहीं है, उसमें कोई अंतर नहीं.
अंतर एक स्तर पर है. अंतर at a relative level, हाँ अंतर है, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली अंतर नहीं है. यानी दोनों सपना है, दोनों सपने हैं, दोनों सपने हैं. तो वो अभी सपने में कोई अगर रो रहा है या कोई हंस रहा है, तो आप कहेंगे कि ये अलग सपना है, या आप कहेंगे बुरा सपना है, लेकिन दोनों सपने ही है. सो अल्टीमेटली दोनों सपने हैं. और अगर एंड एट दैट लेवल इट मेक्स नो, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस टू द. देखिए जो सपना देख रहा है उसको क्या फर्क पड़ता है. वो तो जब आंखें खोलेगा तो वो या तो सपने में maybe there may be some small residue of the memory of the dream which may affect now, but whether I ran for 5 miles or I slept for half an hour in the dream, the dreamer को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So from that point of view, there is no difference. From within the dream,
So
yes,
that
there
means
is
we don't need to label it.
Don't lean to what?
Label it.
Yeah, we don't need to label it. We don't need to differentiate it. Anyway, whatever is happening in your life is just happening. Consciousness is flowing through you, prompting you to be on open door, prompting you to read books, prompting you to do whatever you do. And that is just consciousness flowing. There is nothing we can do or say about it. It is just that. For somebody else, something else is flowing, and there is nothing else they can do or say about that. So, but in either case, it is only consciousness flowing. And you also don't really have a say in it either. Whatever happens is just happening. For you, it is equally difficult to miss this kind of a session. For somebody, it is equally difficult to join this session. So for you, this is what happens. For them, this is what happens. And regardless of it, we are just on this journey and flowing. There's nothing else that we can or need to do anyway. Including open door. It is not something we need to do or can do anything about. If this is what shows up, then this is what shows up for you. So the why wala question jo hai, that is something worth. Why do all this? That is the question. So Thursday, think about that.
Okay.
Between now and Thursday.
Thank
Why?
you.
Why do all this? Okay, great. Chalo. Jai Gurudev. Thank you.
Jai Gurudev.
Thank you,
Namaste.
thank you,
Jai
thank you,
Gurudev.
thank
Bowing
you,
down
thank you,
to the
thank you.
divine that is present where you are. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank you.
all.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Bye, everyone. Thank
Bye.
you. Thank
Hari
you.
Bye,
Om.
bye.
Hari Om Tat Sat.
Good job.
Good job.